We are going to learn a new lesson, expert detectives. Experts means skilled, who is skilled in his work, who is experienced in his work. And detectives means those who wants to know something about the secrets of someone is called detectives. Before you read, Nishad, a boy of 7, also called 7 because his name means the seventh note on the musical scale, and his 10 years old sister Maya are very curious about one Mr. Nath. To Nishad, a boy of 7 years old, and he is called 7 also. His nickname is 7 as because the meaning of his name is the seventh note of a musical scale. Musical scale we know as for musical scales are the scales of the music such as sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. These are the seventh note of musical instruments, and he is the last note, and that's why he is also called 7. And his 10 years old sister Maya are very curious about one Mr. Nath, and that means Nishad and Maya. Nishad is 7 years old and Maya is 10 years old. Both are very curious, means very excited. Curious means excited, anxious. They are very excited to know about Mr. Nath's fact. Who is Mr. Nath? What he did, where he lives, what is his profession? All these things they are curious to know. Then one day, the children's marble rolls into the Mr. Nath's room and Nishad gets a chance to see him. What happened one day, students? You see how Nishad get a chance to see Mr. Nath's room. One day they were playing and their marbles roll into the Nishad's room, Mr. Nath's room, and Nishad get a chance to see him. Is he a crook on the run? That means crook means wicked, crook means criminal, those who are unlawful person. So here Mr. Nath, here Nishad guessed that is he a crook? Is he a wicked person? Why is his face badly scarred? Scarred means to deform the structure, or to change the appearance of the face. Why his face badly scarred means why his face looked so bad. Why has he no friends? Why he lives alone? These are the questions arise in his minds. Whose minds? Nishad's minds. Nishad's mother's a doctor, knows Mr. Nath as a patient who is very polite. Being a doctor, Mr. Nath's mother knows Nishad's mother, Mr. Nath is her patient and he is very polite in behavior. So Nishad said that his mother is a doctor and Mr. Nath is her patient. And his mother knows that his patient, that means Mr. Nath, is a very polite man. That means he behaves very politely. Now, students, we are going to learn the lesson, that is part 1. As we walked back towards the clinic, 7 said, he doesn't look anything like a monster, Maya. Monsters means the giant. Monster means giants. So as we walked back towards the clinic, they are going towards the clinic of her mother. He doesn't look anything like monster. He does not show anything that is big or that is giant one or that is fearful. But did you see how thin he is? But Nishad is telling, you look, Mr. Nath is very lean and thin, very weak. Maybe he is very poor and cannot afford to eat. It is the guess. This question arises in Nishad's mind that Mr. Nath may be poor person. He cannot eat properly as because he had no money. He cannot be poor if he is a crook on the run. I told him. Then Maya told Nishad that he may not be a crook. Crook means wicked person. He may not be a criminal. He cannot be poor as because if he is a criminal. He's probably got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. So according to Maya, what Maya said, he is not a poor if he is a crook. He has got millions of rupees and he has kept them in this room somewhere. Do you really think he is a criminal, Maya? Maya asked Nishad ki whether Nishad think that he is a criminal or not. He doesn't look like one. Nishad looked doubtfully. But Nishad said that he does not look like a criminal. He does not look like a thief. And then Nishad gave a look of doubtful to Mr. Nath. Of course he is 1/7, I said, and he certainly is not starving. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meals up from the restaurants downstairs. Of course he is 1/7, I said. Maya said that he may be a criminal. Among the criminal he may be one, and he certainly is not starving, and he is not feeling any hungry, and he does not remain hungry, as because Mr. Nath told us. That way Mr. Mehta told them that Ramesh brings his meals up from the restaurants downwards. Below, from the below in the hospitals, Mr. Mehta brings meals for Mr. Nath, and Mr. Mehta told this to them.